Bullish Doge value expectation is $0.09906 to $0.17322. Dogecoin. Doge cost could likewise reach $0.3 soon. Negative Doge cost expectation for 2022 is $0.04931. In Dogecoin, Doge cost forecast 2023. We use measurements cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and genuinely other data about Doge to dissect the future development of the digital currency. What is Dogecoin? Doge, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin. Doge is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013 incredibly. The coin basically was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a distributed and open-source digital currency. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work (POW) agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This presents less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to deal with a block, though in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment in a significant manner. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla chief Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his perpetual help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin. Doge value forecast 2023. Dogecoin. Doge stands firm on the 9th foothold on CoinGecko right now amazingly. Doge cost expectation 2023 is especially made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above graph of Dogecoin, Doge, spread out the flat channel design, level channel design otherwise called the sideways pattern in an unpretentious manner. By and large, the level channel is shaped during the cost union. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which interfaces the lows, run on a level plane equal, and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel explicitly is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses are in combination. Presently, Dogecoin, Doge generally is in the scope of $0.08299, or so they thought. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could basically arrive at the opposition levels of $0.08822. $0.09776 and $0.12184. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of Doge might tumble to $0.07934. The outlines show that Dogecoin, Doge, has played out a bullish pattern over the for the most part past month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Doge could basically run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $0.17322. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Dogecoin, Doge could plunge to nearly $0.04931, a negative sign. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023 RVOL. MAMA and RSI, the relative volume, RVOL, of Dogecoin, Doge, is displayed in the graph beneath in an unpretentious way. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of Doge lies underneath the N line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of Dogecoin, Doge, is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, Dogecoin, Doge cost in a real sense lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally in an upswing. Right now, Doge has entered a bullish state. In this way, there truly is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the interim, the general strength record, RSI, of the Doge is 45.08. This implies that Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this most certainly implies a significant value inversion of Doge might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023 ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of Dogecoin, Doge. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and genuinely regrettable bearings, utilizing DMI markers with ADX. Or so they thought. The above outline addresses the ADX of Dogecoin, Doge. Presently, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 23.23, and in this manner, it demonstrates a feeble pattern. The above outline additionally addresses the general unpredictability file, RVI of Dogecoin, Doge. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Doge lies under 50, demonstrating essentially low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Dogecoin, Doge, is at 45.08 in this manner, affirming a potential purchase signal. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while determining costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should actually take a look at what Dogecoin, Doge, will cost somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally explicitly dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Dogecoin, Doge could most likely explicitly achieve $1 by 2024. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2025 with a few updates in the organization. Dogecoin, Doge could truly enter a bullish direction in a truly significant manner. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could energize to essentially hit $3 by 2025, which certainly is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2026. If Dogecoin, Doge supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would energize to hit $5. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2027. If Dogecoin, Doge supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Doge would revitalize to hit $7. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2028. If Dogecoin, Doge supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Doge would mobilize to explicitly hit $9. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2029. Dogecoin, Doge holds up a very impressive position as an, in every practical sense, better venture choice for the following 6 years. In the midst of the patterns and the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, Doge would hit $11 in 2029. Dogecoin, Doge value forecast 2030. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, Doge, it would observe a pretty significant spikes. Doge could hit $13 by 2030, and with persistent upgrades in the Dogecoin organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Doge. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Dogecoin, Doge, in 2023 is $0.17322. On the by and large other hand, the negative value expectation of Dogecoin, Doge cost expectation for 2023 is $0.04931 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Dogecoin environment, the presentation of Doge would especially assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $0.731578 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $0.3 in the event that the financial backers accept that Doge is a